Gutire muici na mucuthaniriria. Uyu ni uge uria wakindirwo ni Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta umuthi thutha wa guikia muhua wake hari umomori uria uthiete na mbere gutabanio icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini. President Kenyatta ni athanire Maabithaa aria othe manyitire itemi hari kuhitukia waaki wa manyumba hugururu-ini cia ruui rwa Nairobi guikio ngono na kuhingurirwo thitango.
For those who made the approvals, we are not just going to punish those who built, because I know in many instances, many of them are claiming they were given permits. But those permits and whatever they were given illegally, but they were given by government officers. So I want to assure you that we are going after all those who issued those permits. Those ones will be prosecuted.
Na thutha wa ihinda iraya ria Kenya gukorwo magicurania murugamo wa Mutongoria wa bururi ni uriku hari umomori uria urathie na mbere, President auma na wa kuga.
We are now in the process, as he has said, of demolishing properties that have been built on riparian land along our riverbeds, a scenario that many of you will note has resulted in flooding and other issues that make Nairobi uncomfortable to its own residents. And we will continue to do so, as the governor has said. We will continue to do so.
We shall continue to take action against buildings that flout planning laws, including those that have been built on riparian land. Nairobi floods because land that used to absorb stormwater has been turned into concrete.
Macio magithiaga na mbere magana ma onjoria nduka-ini ya akiuga mwena wa Westlands na iria gwetetwo gukorwo yakitwo iguru ria ruui rwa Nairobi matinda magithamia indo ciao mari na guoya wa kuomorerwo indo ciao hamwe na nyumba iyo. Kameme TV kurumira riboti ya kamiti ya bunge igie maria maturigiceirie ya nyumba iria irabatara kumomorwo nitwithanitie ati ihoero ria Oshwal riria riakitwo mugunda-ini wa makiria ma eka 8 riothe riakitwo iguru ria ruui rwa Nairobi riri thingo cia manyumba ma Taj na Gem mwena wa Riverside mamomoreirwo icunjĩ iria irarĩ mugunda-ini wa ruui rwa Nairobi. Hamwe na nyumba iria imurikitwo ni hamwe na mukawa wa Green Hills mwena wa Village Market, Aquila Properties barabara-ini ya Chiromo na megemerio ma ngari ma nduka ya Westgate.
We are not against
na ona thengia wa gukorwo rukuruhanitio hari kuhitukia waaki uyu uromorwo, rũhonge rwa kuramata maria maturigiceirie rwa NEMA ni rugite ruo rwahitukirie waaki uria wagiriire no aki magiaka uria makwenda riria arũgamĩrĩria rũhonge rũrũ megwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie maria maturigiceirie.
NEMA cannot issue any licensing or any rejection letter before determining what the site situation is. So it's a standard procedure that we must adhere to.
Uyu niguo muhaka mweru wa imwe cia buroti iria irikitie kuomorerwo manyumba maria irakite mugunda-ini wa ruui mwena wa Riverside. Riri thirikari nene kugera Mutongoria wa bururi irumite keni ati umomori uyu ni uguthii na mbere icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitaga Mau wa Mwangi.